Okay, this is Steve Gould, CEO of Panoptic Technology. This is our flagship product line. All right, what it's going to do is it's going to show you how to take 100 megabits all the way out through your phone system and add power, and provide a smart room or a network distribution point out at 24 different points. 100 megabits across an entire campus, 24 of them, all independently operated, all independently managed and controlled. Remember, what we're trying to do is build network systems that give you data, power, and control. So what we've done here is we've taken the analog system and we mix it into our concentrator, 24-port concentrator. What's interesting about this is that they're all line replaceable units. So if one goes bad, the other 24 or 23 stay up and continue to run. Engineer pulls this out, puts another one back in, it immediately powers up. None of the other CPUs, none of the other modems had to do any negotiation because these are all single 24-port points. What's buried inside of this is our 24-port switch with all of our switch characteristics, QoS, VLANs, tagging, VLAN trunking, or ports trunking, everything you want. What comes out of here is two-wire signal, VDSL and data combined, goes out into some phone room that's closer where you pick up your Cat 3 with your 6 wires. At that point, we inject power over the other 4 wires. We can use as little as 2, but we want 4. We then put power in with that data, and that's what ends up going out to the endpoint. So at the endpoint, you end up with a device that's self-powered through the network, delivers 100 megabits, breaks out the analog phone from the original. So over your old legacy infrastructure, you can have 100 megabytes to every single endpoint, all separately negotiated and independent. So when one starts to go bad or one line gets a little bit rough, all 8 ports or 16 ports or 24 ports don't start renegotiating. Each one's independent point-to-point connections, delivering you high-speed internet to the endpoint. You can use it in any kind of infrastructure you want, whether it's a hotel, an old business center, a multi-tenant units spread out. All of that works with this infrastructure.